This is Robert with Pioneer Smokehouses, and this is a companion video to go along with my article, How to Use a Masterbuilt Electric Smoker, a Beginner's Guide. This video will focus on seasoning. Now, what we need to do is we need to take the smoker and coat the inside of it with some spray oil. Of course, you can use whatever oil you like. Typically, I use canola. What you want to do is use something that has a higher smoke point than whatever you're going to be running your smoker at, which this one's maximum is 275. And canola refined has a smoke point of around 400 degrees. This is the only thing I use canola for. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the top of the smoker. This one's already seasoned, but let's give you an example anyway. Then I'll coat the door. Next, I'll coat the inside walls. Finally, I'll coat the racks and all the equipment except avoid coating the burner. If you're not sure if you can do that, then wrap it in a piece of tin foil real lightly, and then you can just take the tin foil off and throw it away later. Next, go ahead and seal up your smoker. Turn your smoker on and set it for the maximum temperature. Then set it for at least 3 hours. After your smoker has a few minutes to preheat, put a load of wood chips in it. I prefer to use something strong like hickory or mesquite for this process. Let your smoker run at the maximum temperature of 270 for 3 hours. If you're not sure if your smoker has enough seasoning to it, feel free to add more chips and get it really smoky just to be safe. Finally, go ahead and run something really fatty like some bacon or pork belly or whatever it takes to get that final fatty seasoning in that smoker. So my 2 tips for this one are never spray the element, which I already mentioned. And also, if you cook anything that has a strong smell like a fish or something like that, feel free to reseason it, or after you clean it, if something messy was cooked in it, always reseason again so that way you end up with that natural smoky flavor for whatever you're cooking. Thanks for watching and have a great day.